Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your video autoplay settings in Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the video autoplay settings, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first. Then after opening Twitch, you will get to see your profile picture icon in the top left. Just simply tap into that icon and then go to account settings. Then after going into account settings, choose preferences, which is in the second row, and there you will get the option of video autoplay. As you can see here, my video autoplay is set into mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now in order to change, just simply tap into drop down and then you can choose video autoplay settings to Wi-Fi only, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and never. Just simply choose suitable option for you, and after that your video autoplay option will successfully be saved. This way you can easily change your video autoplay setting in Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.